In this tutorial I will show you how to make SMS codes fill in automatically. If you want to make SMS verification codes automatically fill in on your Android device, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and look for the Google option, then tap on it. At the top of the Google Settings page, change the view to All Services. This will show you a list of different Google options. Scroll down to the Autofill and Passwords section and tap on it. Next, tap on Autofill with Google. At the top, you'll see a toggle switch. Turn the toggle on to enable autofill for SMS verification codes. And that's it. From now on, your verification codes will be automatically filled in when you receive them.